In this video, we'll be reviewing 1ShoppingCart, an e-commerce platform that allows you to run a dropshipping business, examining its key features, strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. 1ShoppingCart is a fully integrated e-commerce solution designed to streamline the process of selling products online, including dropshipping. The platform is known for its robust set of features, which include a customizable online store, secure payment processing, inventory management, and integrated marketing tools. The platform also supports dropshipping by allowing seamless integration with suppliers, automating order fulfillment, and syncing products directly from your supplier's inventory to your store. One of the main strengths of 1ShoppingCart is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're just starting your dropshipping business or scaling it up, the platform is easy to navigate and set up. Its all-in-one functionality means you don't need to manage multiple tools or integrate third-party apps. This is particularly useful for those looking to save time and reduce complexity. Another strength is its built-in marketing tools, such as email campaigns, affiliate programs, and discount codes. These features help you engage with customers and boost sales, which is vital for any dropshipping business looking to grow. The platform also supports multi-currency and multi-language options, making it a great choice for international entrepreneurs. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. 1ShoppingCart's pricing is on the higher end compared to other platforms, which might be a barrier for beginners or smaller businesses. The customer support can also be slower at times, and some users have reported that its reporting features could be more detailed for deeper analytics. In conclusion, 1ShoppingCart is a solid platform for dropshipping businesses, especially for those looking for a comprehensive, user-friendly e-commerce solution. If you don't mind the higher cost and are looking for an all-in-one platform with strong marketing tools, it could be a great fit. Check the description for links to products, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews.